Here we have a sort of United Nations of birds of prey, almost like a Miss World contest, the way they're all lined up. Only difference is none of these birds are promising world peace. Probably promising quite the opposite. Some of the most deadly specimens you'll find. Even this tawny eagle is quite menacing. Bald eagle there at the back from the USA, looking across at me now. Suddenly I'm the I could be the target. I like this one here. It's got a sort of French sounding name from Africa, the Batuleur. What a fantastic fantastic colours, that orange and orangey red, that's really lights up. Russian steppe eagle. Bald eagle's upset about something. I think I've managed to upset quite a few of these birds now. Red-tailed hawk, also from the USA. Very nice, it's showing off its plumage. What a fantastic creature that is.